You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names too many people get wrong. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn on this channel. Now, in English it's normally pronounced as Saraya. That's probably the most common pronunciation, but of course different individuals, different languages, origins, countries, regions may pronounce it differently as Saraya, Saraya, or Saraya. Saraya is definitely the most common. If you are Saraya or Saraya or Saraya, let us know in the comments how you like it to be pronounced. Let us know, and let everyone know. Saraya, Saraya. And now, you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the comments and support, and more videos for you to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.